It's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the pooping and farting sound effect from Sky. It's from a video called Sky's Morning Workout, Ganja Fart. It was uploaded 3 weeks ago on September 18th. The duration of the sound effect is 0:29 to 0:51. The music box will be removed at the end. I need to poop it out. Ag. Yeah. Whoa, I feel so much better. That felt really good letting the poop out of my butt. Remember kids, make sure you use Sky's farting sound effect when you need to poop.